Good morning. Today we are going to discuss board questions. In the previous video we had started board question but we could not complete. So we will continue from where I have left. So 2004 first question. From ammonia HCl H2S SO2 select the gas which when bubbled through copper sulfate a deep blue colored solution is formed. So ammonia is NH3. When ammonia is passed in copper sulfate solution, first of all pale blue state is formed, but in excess amount it is soluble changes to inky blue. Second, this gas burned in oxygen with a green flame. You know that only one gas is there that burned with a green flame, that is ammonia. So ammonia burns with green flame. Now the second question, write the equation for the reaction in Haber's process that form ammonia. So you have to write the reaction of Haber's process. So N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3 plus delta. Iron is the catalyst, molybdenum is the promoter. 450 to 500 degrees Celsius, 200 to 900 atm pressure. So next one is third one, 2004. State the purpose of liquefying ammonia produced in the process. So what is the purpose to separate ammonia? To separate ammonia from unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen. Then fourth one, write an equation of the reaction of chlorine with excess ammonia. So this excess ammonia 8NH3 reacts with 3 molecules of chlorine form 6NH4Cl plus N2. Now 2005. First question. Name the ion other than ammonium ion formed when ammonia dissolved in water. So just you see, when ammonia dissolved in water, it will form ammonium hydroxide, and this ammonium hydroxide dissociate to give ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. So they are asking another ion than ammonium ion. So the answer is hydroxyl ion. I will write words let's begin. So 2005 first one, then second, write equation for the formation of ammonia. First one is ammonium chloride and slaked lime. So ammonium chloride and slaked lime. So when these two are heated, this will form calcium chloride, water and ammonia. And the second one is given that aluminium nitride and water, it is now reduced in the syllabus. So it is not in the syllabus. So that you can leave. Now we are going to take 2005 over. Now we take the 2006 board questions. We are going to discuss about 2006. So just you see, 2006 first question. State the select from the list ammonia, copper oxide, copper sulfate, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen sulfide, lead bromide, the compound which is not a metal hydroxide but its aqueous solution is alkaline in nature. So your answer is ammonia. You know, when ammonia dissolved in water it forms ammonium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide is alkaline in nature. Then the second question, from the substances ammonium sulfate, lead carbonate, chlorine, copper nitrate, iron second sulfate, state a compound which on heating with NaOH produces a gas which forms dense white fume with HCl. So ammonium salt only will give ammonium sulfate. Answer is ammonium sulfate. Now third one. State what is observed when excess ammonia is passed through an aqueous solution of lead nitrate. So chalky white state is formed. It is insoluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. So chalky white precipitate is formed. It is insoluble. It is insoluble in excess ammonia or ammonium hydroxide. Both are. Then fourth one, 2006. Fourth one, name the substance used for drying ammonia. Very important question. Quicklime. Quicklime. This is calcium oxide. Then fifth one is write balanced chemical equation to illustrate the reducing nature of ammonia. So this is also very important. 2NH3 plus 3CuO, it gives 3Cu, 3H2O plus N. In this reaction, ammonia is showing reducing nature. Then sixth one. With reference to Haber's process, write the equation and conditions required. It's also very common question is here. N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3 plus delta, this iron, molybdenum, temperature 450 to 500 degrees Celsius and pressure 200 to 900. All the conditions are written. Now 2006 is over. Next we are going to take 2007. So now we will take 2007 board questions. So 2007, first one. Give an equation for the formation of ammonium sulfate from ammonia and dilute hydrochloric acid. So these two molecules of ammonia reacts with dilute sulfuric acid that will form ammonium sulfate. Now the second one, give equation for reaction in which ammonia is oxidized by a metal oxide. So 2NH3 plus 3CuO, this will form 3Cu, 3H2 plus N. So in this one, ammonia is oxidized by metal oxide or metal oxide is reduced by ammonia. Anyway you can say. So as per we have asked, so accordingly we have to write. So second one, give the equation for the reaction which ammonia is oxidized by metal oxide and a gas which is not oxygen. So chlorine you can take 8NH3 react with 3 molecules of chlorine, it will form Then third one, you enter a laboratory after the class has completed the fountain experiment. How will you be able to tell whether the gas used in experiment was hydrochloride or ammonia? Just to see, in the flask, if you are getting red color solution, it means the gas is HCl, and if the blue color solution you are getting, so ammonia is there. So if red color solution is found in the flask, so it will be HCl. If blue colored solution is found in the flask, it will be ammonia. In the flask, it will be ammonia. It is very easy. So now third one is over. Now 2008. So 2007, all the questions are over. Now we will take 2008. So 2008. More questions. 2008. First one. Ammonia can be obtained by adding water. So that is not in the syllabus. So you can leave it. Second. Name an alkaline gas which gives dense white fume with hydrogen chloride. So ammonia. Ammonia will give the dense white fume. Third is not in the syllabus. So now take the fourth one. Complete the table related to an important industrial process. Output refers to the product of the process. So catalyst, iron, then equation N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3. Then the output will be ammonia. Now 2009. First one is name the gas that burned in oxygen with green flame. So ammonia. Second, write a fully balanced equation that is not in a syllabus. Third, identify the substance Q based on the information given. The white crystalline solid Q is soluble in water. It liberates a pungent dispelling gas when heated with sodium hydroxide. So the Q is any ammonium salt, ammonium chloride. Now this 2009 over. Next we have to take the 2010. So up to the 2009 we have completed. Now we are going to take 2010 board questions. So board questions are very important. You can get the idea how the questions will be asked to you in the examination. So when you solve the board questions, you will get the perfection. So now 2010, first question. Complete the blanks A to E in the passage given using following words: ammonium, reddish brown, hydroxyl, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia, dirty green, alkaline, acidic. In the presence of catalyst, nitrogen hydrogen combine to give A. Ammonia. A is ammonia. B. When the same gas is passed through water, it forms which will be alkaline. Alkaline. Then C. That ammonium, D, hydroxyl, and E, that iron second hydroxide, dirty green. Dirty green. Now just see the paragraph, it will be clear to you. In the presence of catalyst, nitrogen and hydrogen combine to give ammonia gas. When the same gas is passed through water, it forms solution which will be alkaline in nature, will contain the solution ammonium and hydroxyl. A dirty green colored split of iron second hydroxide is formed when the above solution is added to iron second sulfate. Now the second one, state your observation. Now the second question, state your observation when in absence of catalyst, ammonia burns in atmosphere of oxygen. It burns with green flame. Green flame. Ammonia burns with green flame. Third one, give the equation for the reaction. Ammonium chloride is heated with sodium hydroxide. So ammonium chloride heated with sodium hydroxide, it will form sodium chloride, water and ammonia. Then fourth one, in the manufacture of ammonia, name the process. So process is Haber's process. Second one is state the ratio of the reactants taken. So 1 volume nitrogen and 3 volume hydrogen. Then third one is state the catalyst used, that iron. Then fourth, give the equation for manufacture of the gas ammonia. So N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3. This much pressure, 452 per minute. Then question number 5. Write a relevant equation to show ammonia acts as reducing agent. So very important. 2NH3 reacts with 3Cu4. It gives 3Cu, 3H2O and N2. Then sixth one, 2010. Name two gases which can be used to study fountain experiment. So two gases are ammonia and HCl. Then state the common property demonstrated by fountain experiment. Both the gases are highly soluble in water. Both the gases are highly soluble in water. So this sixth one is over. 2010. So now 2011. First one, state what is observed when ammonium hydroxide is first added in small quantity, then excess in a solution of copper sulfate. So A group state is formed. A group TPT formed. It is soluble in excess. Is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide changes to deep blue or inky blue. Deep blue or inky blue. So 2011. Now the second question of 2011. First question I have seen that pale blue state is formed. It is soluble in excess, changes to inky blue. Then the second one first. The diagram shows the setup for the lab preparation of pungent alkaline gas. Name the gas collected in the jar. So this gas is ammonia, NH3. Second, give a balance equation for the above preparation. So this ammonium chloride, when heated with calcium hydroxide, this will form calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Now the third one, state how the above gas is collected. Downward displacement of air. Air is moving down. So downward displacement of air. Now the fourth one, name the drying agent. Quick-lime calcium oxide. Now the fifth one, state how you find out that the jar is full of the pungent gas. Bring a glass rod. Bring a glass rod dipped in concentrate HCl. A dense white fume is formed. A dense white fume is formed. So if the dense white fume is formed, when you bring a glass rod dipped in concentrate HCl, it means it is fully filled with ammonia. Now the third one, write a balance equation chlorine react with excess ammonia. So this third one, balance equation, write a balance equation chlorine react with excess ammonia. So this excess ammonia 8NH3 plus 3Cl2 will give 6NH4Cl plus N. Now this fourth one, it is not in a syllabus. So now the 2012, we will take the 2012. So 2012 up to 2011 we have completed. Now we are going to take 2012 questions that is important for you. 2012, that we will take now 2012 up to 2011 we have completed. Now we will take 2012 first question. So just you go through the questions. That first one, name the gas produced when excess ammonia reacts with chlorine. So the answer we have just now, nitrogen gas. Then second one, rewrite not in the syllabus, so that you can leave it. Then third, give balance equation for the reaction ammonia and oxygen in the presence of the catalyst. So this ammonia combined with oxygen in the presence of the catalyst, temperature is 800 degrees Celsius. This will form nitric oxide and water will nitrogen 1, hydrogen 3. You can write here 3 by 2. Now hydrogen is balanced, oxygen just to see 1 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. How we can make it 5 by 2? By multiplying 5 by 4. Now whole equation can multiply by 4 to remove the fraction sign. So 4NH3 plus 5O2 in the presence of the catalyst platinum 800 degrees Celsius form nitric oxide, and this water will be there, that 6S2. So 2012, third one. Now the fourth one. First one. The following questions are based on the preparation of ammonia gas in laboratory. Explain why ammonium nitrate is not used in the preparation of ammonia. So ammonium nitrate is explosive in nature. Ammonium nitrate, why it is not used? Ammonium nitrate, it is explosive. Explosive in nature. It decomposes to give nitrous oxide and water vapor. That's why this one is not used. Then second one. Now the second one, 2012, name the compound normally used as a dry agent for the process quicklime. That calcium oxide. Now the third one is how ammonia gas collected. Explain why it is not collected over water. So ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of A. So third one here I can write. Ammonia gas is collected by downward displacement of air. By downward displacement of air. It is not collected over water because it is highly soluble. It is highly soluble in water. That's why it is not collected. So 2012, that all the parts are over. Now 2013. So year 2013, that state one appropriate observation, excess of chlorine gas reacted with ammonia, yellow colored explosive liquid is formed. This yellow explosive liquid is formed. Now the second one, nitrogen gas can be obtained by this B, ammonium nitrate. So ammonium nitrate. Then third one, state 2 observation. Ammonium hydroxide added to zinc nitrate solution slowly then mixes. Gelatinous white state is formed. Gelatinous white precipitate is formed. It is soluble. It is soluble in excess. Changes to colorless. Now this third one is over. Now the fourth one, 2013, fourth one. What is the fourth one? That give balance equation for reduction of copper second oxide to copper using ammonia. So 2NH3 plus 3CuO, it gives 3Cu, 3H2O plus Z2. Then fifth one, state the temperature catalyst Haber's process. So the temperature is 450 to 500 degrees Celsius and catalyst is iron. Haber's process. Give the equation for the catalyzed reaction. So N2 plus 3H2, it gives 2NH3. Now the sixth one, identify an alkaline gas which produces the dense white film when it reacts with HCl. So answer is ammonia. So up to 2013 we have completed here. So in the next video I will give you the rest of the questions and then unit test.